Okay, so I thought I would show you. In the previous video, we uploaded a file and an announcement that was PDF. Let's do one that is a JPG file. And let's go. So going back to Canvas, again, we're going to create an announcement. And then I'll repost one and delete it. I hope my students don't get confused, but we'll go ahead and announcement. And then we will type, I don't know, the day of gratitude that was presented. And now instead of adding a file, that one was a JPEG, so we'll go down to the images. Then you got to go to upload a new image. Then you got to go find the image. It's a little bit of work. So I'm trying to, a lot of images. So let's scroll down. Day of gratitude. So you see how this is a JPEG and then this was the PDF. But when you input this, and for some reason, I'm not too sure, do I need to do this? No. You do need to call it something. I'm not too sure why, but oh my gosh, I spelled that wrong. Day of gratitude. Hopefully I spelled that right. So once then this button activates. I always kind of tap the screen, and then so when you upload the image, now the image appears. And so then when you click here to save, and then what's nice about these announcements, just so I forgot to say, you could delay the posting, you could allow users to comment, or you could allow liking if you want to do that as well. And then when you save this announcement, then you have the actual image. So my students are probably thinking, why did she post this twice? But I'll let them know in class. So hopefully this was helpful, and we're all done and done.